We get asked all the time, what packs right for me? The one thing that we provide is a convenience, and we also provide the ability to design your room in whatever way you want. This is essentially a portable wall outlet, and you can put your furniture anywhere you want. If anybody's ever gone through and done construction in your home or any type of renovation, the two most expensive things are plumbing and electric. Having to put an outlet in the wall, it's not simply just an electrician that comes in, because you're gonna have to have a drywaller come in, and you're gonna probably have to have a painter come in. So you're not only expensing time, but you're also expensing money, and also deciding that I'm gonna tether my furniture to the wall. And if you're anything like my household, you get everything all set up, and then somebody says, I'd like it on the other side of the room now. So the outlet goes wherever you want it, giving you the freedom and the capability to put the furniture where you want to put the furniture.